Here we go. Oh! Wow, that was quick. Second button in. Gotta love that. See? All right, one remote down. Oh, man. Oh. That's terrifying. I don't remember what button I left off on. Oh, that did it. Man, I'm getting jumpy. We're clear. Second remote down. That's a lot of buttons. Here we go. Halfway through that remote. That mute button. I'm flinching now. Not turning on the... Oh, that did it. So close. So close. Of course, the last button on the remote.